Welcome, YouTube viewers, to a world of modern luxury and sophistication. We're thrilled to have you join us on this journey to explore the finest in contemporary bathroom design. Get ready to be inspired by sleek lines, innovative features, and exquisite aesthetics that will transform your bathroom into a true oasis of relaxation and indulgence. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current space or simply seeking inspiration for your dream bathroom, you're in for a treat. So, sit back, relax, and let us guide you through a realm of modern luxurious bathroom ideas that will leave you breathless. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest in upscale design and lifestyle trends. Let's dive in. Certainly. Here are some modern luxurious bathroom ideas that can transform your space into a spa-like retreat. Sleek minimalism. Embrace a minimalist design with clean lines, neutral colors, and uncluttered surfaces. Incorporate high-quality materials like marble, glass, and polished chrome fixtures to create an atmosphere of understated elegance. Freestanding bathtub. A sculptural freestanding bathtub can be a centerpiece in a luxurious bathroom. Opt for a deep soaking tub or a stylish clawfoot design for a touch of timeless elegance. Walk-in shower. Install a spacious walk-in shower with frameless glass enclosures. Incorporate multiple shower heads, including rainfall and handheld options, to create a spa-like experience. Underfloor heating. Pamper your feet with underfloor heating systems. This not only adds comfort but also a touch of luxury to your bathroom. Smart technology. Integrate smart features such as motion-activated lighting, voice-controlled mirrors, and even heated toilet seats for ultimate convenience and comfort. Vanity statement piece. Choose a unique vanity with a beautiful countertop and elegant sink. Wall-mounted vanities or those with custom-designed cabinetry can add a luxurious touch. Luxurious lighting. Invest in quality lighting fixtures like chandeliers or sconces to create an inviting ambience. Consider dimmable options for versatility. High-end materials. Opt for high-quality materials such as natural stone or designer tiles for the flooring and walls. Incorporate accents like mosaic tiles or gold accents for added opulence. Large mirrors. Install oversized mirrors to visually expand the space and reflect the beauty of the room. Frameless or ornate mirrors can enhance the overall aesthetic. Plants and greenery. Bring the outdoors in with lush plants or a living wall for a refreshing and inviting atmosphere. Custom storage. Maximize storage with custom-built cabinets and shelves. Organized spaces can make your bathroom feel even more luxurious. Luxury textiles. Invest in plush, high-quality towels, robes, and bath mats to add a sense of comfort and opulence. Artwork and decor. Add elegant artwork and tasteful decor to personalize the space. Consider a statement piece that complements the overall design. High-end fixtures. Choose designer faucets, shower heads, and hardware to elevate the bathroom's style. Warm color palette. Incorporate warm and calming colors such as soft blues, grays, or earth tones to create a serene and inviting atmosphere. A luxurious bathroom holds a unique and significant role in our lives, offering a haven of comfort and elegance that extends beyond mere extravagance. Its importance is multifaceted, providing a space for relaxation and self-care, thereby contributing to our overall well-being. A well-appointed luxury bathroom combines comfort and functionality with aesthetics, promoting moments of indulgence and tranquility. Moreover, it enhances the value of a property, both in terms of resale potential and the overall quality of life for its inhabitants. With its tasteful design and thoughtful features, a luxury bathroom becomes a personal retreat where one's preferences and style are celebrated, while also positively impacting one's mood and energy. In essence, a luxurious bathroom is not just a space, but an embodiment of comfort, aesthetics, and well-being that adds immeasurable value to our daily lives. Remember, the key to a modern luxurious bathroom is to combine functionality with aesthetics, creating a space that not only looks stunning but also serves as a place of relaxation and rejuvenation. Personalize your choices to match your preferences and enjoy the ultimate in bathroom luxury. Before you go, dear viewers, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, sharing this video with friends and family, and of course, subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Your engagement fuels our passion to keep creating, so thank you, and remember, don't forget to like,